and then the Maverick have to pull up and highlight a big performance by a Jamaican athlete. Today is the turn of Rashid Broadbell. Brilliant, indeed sensational run by the Commonwealth champion to beat Grant Holloway and Hansel Parchment, the world and Olympic champions, respectively, at the Rabat Diamond League over the weekend. Broadbell is easily one of the most improved hurdlers in the world. He hounded and chased down Holloway while beating Parchment at his own race, finishing like a runaway train in an impressive 13.08. And obviously, Broadbell with this kind of performance, beating this kind of field, must now have real ambitions of not just making the podium in Budapest, but making the very top of the podium. Yes, and again, with the emergence of Broadbell as a force in the sprint hurdles to join the likes of Parchment, McLeod and Levy, one suspects that when they come across that finish line at the World Championships in Hungary, we shall see multiple flashes of gold, black and green as they dip for the finish.